Hello there, all English learners. Welcome again to my English video. And I really hope that you are in a good emotions right now so that we can study English happily. I am John, and now I'm gonna teach you about how to use to be in a sentence. In this case, simple to be is MR. This is a helping verb. Now before I told you the whole subjects in English consists of I, you, we, they, and plural noun, and then also she, he, it, and singular noun. These are all the subjects in English. Now remember, I also divide the predicate into two groups. Group number one is verb, and then the group number two is non-verb. When we use this non-verb as the predicate of the sentence, and then we need to be, in this case is, am, or are as the helping verb of the sentence. Now let's go to the board. For examples, I use, let's say, I am a student. I am a student. A student is a noun. This is non-verb, okay? So that's why I use to be in the sentence. I say, I am a student, okay? Now, let's go again to the next examples. Let's say, you are diligent, okay? Diligent is also non-verb. This is adjective. Now, because the predicate we use is adjective, we need to use to be as the helping verb of the sentence. Now, for the subject you, we need are for the to be. So we say, you are diligent. Okay? You are diligent. Diligent is non-verb. Again, why do we use are in this sentence? Because the predicate is diligent. And diligent is non-verb. And then we are, let's say, the to be for I is am. You, we, they, the teachers, plural noun, the to be is are. This is used when the subject is more than one. Okay? Now, if it is one subject, we use is for the to be. Now let's go to another example. Let's say we are clever. Okay? We are clever. Why do I use to be in a sentence? Yes, because clever is non-verb. Okay? Why the to be is are? Because the subject is we, more than one subject. We are clever. Okay? Now, next examples. They are, let's say, in the class. In the class is also non-verb. This is an adverb. Okay? Let's say, they are in the class. Because in the class is non-verb, well, that's why I use to be in a sentence. I say, they are in the class. Why the to be's are? Because they is more than one. Okay? The to be for they is are. You understand this? Now let's go to another example. The teachers. The teachers are. The teachers are in the room. Let's say the teachers are in the room. Because in the room is non-verb, I need to use to be. The to be is are. Why the to be is are? Because the teacher is more than one. I say the teachers. The teachers are in the room. Okay, now let's go to the next examples. This is the singular subject. The singular subject, when the predicate is non-verb, we need to use is as the helping verb of the sentence. Let's say, she is beautiful. Because beautiful is non-verb, so we need to use to be. And the to be is. Why the to be is because she is only one. This is the third singular person. Okay? She is beautiful. Next example. He is handsome. Okay? Handsome is non-verb. Well, that's why I use to be is. He is handsome. He is handsome. It is fast. Fast is also non-verb. Well, that's why I use to be. It is fast. Now, a teacher is smart. Okay? A teacher is smart. Because smart is non-verb, I use to be in the sentence. The to be is because the teacher is one. Again, a teacher is smart. Now remember, if we want to change this sentence into, let's say, negative, let's say interrogative, let's say negative interrogative, now we make a deal with the to be. Okay? We don't use do anymore, we don't use does anymore. Because the predicate we use is non-verb, we must use to be in the sentence as the helping verb. Let's say, I am a student. This is positive sentence. When we want to change this sentence into negative sentence, we just put the word not directly after to be. I am not a student. Okay? I am not a student. Remember? Now, next examples. You are diligent. When I change this sentence into, this is a positive sentence, right? When I change this sentence into negative sentence, I just put the word not directly after to be. So I say, you are not diligent. Okay? I say, you are not diligent. Now, next examples. We are clever, right? We are clever. And then I change the sentence into interrogative sentence, for example. You just move the to be and put it before subjects. For example, we are clever. And then you move it to the before subject. It will be, are we clever? Okay? Are we clever? Next examples. They are in the class. They are in the class. Why do we use to be here? Because the predicate is non-verb. Why the to be is are? Because the subject is more than one. Okay, now when we want to change this sentence into negative sentence, we just put the word not directly after to be. So we say, they are not in the class. They are not in the class. Then, when we want to change this sentence into interrogative sentence, this is negative sentence. And then we want to change it into interrogative, we just move the to be and put it before subject. It will be, are they not in the class? Next, the teachers are in the room. How do you change this into negative sentence? We just put the word not directly after to be. It will be, the teachers are not in the room. And then when we want to change this sentence into interrogative sentence, we move the to be and put it before subject. It will be, are the teachers in the room? And then let's say the sentence is negative, we just put the word not directly after to be. It will be, are the teachers not in the room? Let's go to the next example. She is beautiful. This is positive sentence. When we want to change this sentence into negative sentence, we just put the word not directly after to be. The sentence will be, she is not beautiful. Okay? Now, let's go to the next example. He is handsome. Right? He is handsome. Change this sentence into negative sentence. We just put the word not. He is not handsome. Now change this sentence into interrogative. We move the to be and put it before subject. Is he handsome? Or let's say negative interrogative. It will be, is he not handsome? Okay. Now for the negative sentence, let's say she is not beautiful. And then when you want to change this sentence into interrogative sentence, you may move both of them, is and not, but they must be in contractions. It will be isn't. For example, let's say it is not fast. Okay? It is not fast, for example. And then we change the sentence into interrogative sentence. We move both of them, but they must be in contractions. It will be isn't. Isn't it fast? Okay? Isn't it fast? Now let's say a teacher. The teacher is smart. And then we change this into negative sentence. We say a teacher is not smart. Now let's practice some examples about these lessons. Let's say my house is big. That's positive sentence. My house is big. And then negative sentence is my house is not big. Interrogative sentence, is my house big? Negative interrogative sentence, is my house not big? Or isn't my house big? Next examples. My table is new. My table is not new. Is my table new? Isn't my table new? The buildings are destroyed. The buildings are not destroyed. Are the buildings destroyed? Are the buildings not destroyed? Or aren't the buildings destroyed? Okay guys, I hope you can understand these lessons because I believe this is not so difficult. I will see you again on my next video and have a great time. Bye bye.